Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Pyramid 0, Pirates 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Become a member. I'm Join Pie. Chwaka Parks.
I'm a friend to Tibos.
Yeah, sure.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
Yeah, my friend to subscribe. Please subscribe. Nanas Funama millions and millions supporters. Viewers.
Yeah.
Tibos. Sengiqala ukwesaba ke manje.
Uzabalo.
Yazi bengizitshena ukuthi iPirates ya straight ku final izokunikeza that hope.
Yes.
La ekhaya eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
La eSoweto.
Yeah.
Although besiphume kancane eSoweto sila eNazareth.
Yeah.
Of which iPyramid ayibonga ama Easter holidays.
Yes.
Sindile ngama Easter holidays ukuthi igame move from Escotini izela. Iyona into eblock iPirates ukuthi ingayenzi into besazi ukuthi bese ngabe sa celebrate manje kuma cricket because iPyramid kumele si punish ngo 3-0 sithi siya Egypt. Remember Tibus iPyramid lesikhuluma ngayo idefender ileague yokwesibili manje.
Yeah.
Iyendi number 1 itop iyalakiza ngemuva
ekhaya Egypt.
Yeah. And okwesibili Lwa goalkeeper bevimbela iPyramid.
Sharp, yeah.
He's the number 1 goalkeeper wamaKipiti lo. We national team. Namanya amachita I think amachita awu 4.
Yes.
Abelapha ku starting lineup.
Pyramid.
Yeah, what the best bamaKipiti laba. Officially iPirates bebhekene neCountry.
Kahle.
Yeah, ibengasabhekene nje neEgypt kuphela bebhekene neCountry.
Yes.
But abadlali bakuvezile ukuthi abadlali bethu cha banayo lento abayifuna ukuthi bafuna emlandweni wePirates ukubhalela imlando yabo ephatheka ukuthi balidlalela ibhola baze bayofika na kwiAfrica Champions League.
Sharp.
Ngiyakuthanda lokho le effort abayifakayo as a players because mawuthi uyabheka Champions League bafikile abola klikwati ma final ne team yakhe bazama behluleka.
Yeah.
And then bese kudala sagcina yabona le mfutho afika nawo manje uJose sehamba ulobe se expectile ngathi sibuya eBotswana
Sharp.
namabhakani yanga batshena amabhakani yanga blame management yami ngathi management yami imislead uJose ngecompetition Champions League.
Yeah.
Because wagcina abadlali abaningi about the best sanje siqala siyodlala na yini lento yini Kwalax what lase eBotswana.
Yeah.
Leyavena sidla leyaphinda uzosibanga eJwaneni. It's the first time in history lento yathanda ngiphatha kakhulu emoyeni.
Yes.
Yeah, because ngang expect ukuthi bamtshene ukuthi eAfrica lapho sesihlonishwa khona kakhulu.
Yeah.
But unfortunately bamislead but manje bese bona sazi ukuthi udlala iphi competition. Kumele aqinise. I think i-effort ayifake kule season siyayibonga kakhulu. Angibonge kabalandeli bePirates.
Khuluma nabo che.
Mabhakani amahle senzo sika Magebu lezimnyama ngenkane zakhe mhlaba umasipala zawubhekisa phezulu. Mabhekene ngiyanibonga. Yazi bokwa ama holiday ababaluleke kakhulu la kuma families wethu.
Yes.
Ama Easter holidays.
Yes.
Some of us sabazama kholwa abanye bethu abayiwona amakholwa but ukuyohlangana nemindeni for Easter holidays is very very important.
Yeah.
But for love of Orlando Pirates Football Club ningame ukuthi no sizohlala because it was a fixture ye Champions League isevene yathi cha wona ama Easters lawo siyadlala.
Yeah.
Of which ukuphuma ngomningi benu sibe baningi kanje FNB this manithi ngesilungu highly what appreciation ngingathi semafana nefundile. Yes, injalo nje sinisele ona lo esikolweni yabo sinisele into njengana leyo esikolweni highly appreciation mabhakani ya kuncema konke nizokweseka i-team for love of Orlando Pirates as continue senzeni kanjalo noba ke sesibuyela ngezi-25 next week Friday sibuyele Africa. Into yenziwe i-VR somewhere somehow into beyikhulunywa ama-chairman wama-team PSL ngiyayibona iyocisha isiconfuse thina balandini futhi iyocisha isenze silwe sodwa. Today I was very happy ngidefendwe VR. Tomorrow i-VR mangiletha down ngokwenza njani. Angeke ngiphenduke ngibe ibhubesi ngilwe. I saw something i-VR ukuthi somewhere somehow iyamdefend umuntu, somewhere somehow iyamkhawatha umuntu.
Yambula.
Yeah, ngibone kujabula inkundla yonke. 2 goals ithi VR offside. Ngiyazibuza ke umbuzo wodwa. What if ngelinye ilanga yobe against thina? Le happiness ebeyilaphana ukuthi amagoli aphikiwe i-VR. Kabe bakhona nimasokuphiwa we-Pirates. That's my worry. I-VR. I'm really worried. Ukuthi ngempela njengama-team ayayifuna la PSL. Kabe ngeke i-cause i-war between supporters ne-VR le ngoba izobe ishilishilo. Mayisikhiphile isinqumile isikhiphile is reserve. Kusho ukuthi ke kukhala umuntu lapho. Anyway, abadlali bethu bafowethu badlalile namhlanje. Although bokhona angazi nokuthi i-pyramid ifunde kakhulu ne-Paris because ungalishayela ipali ikona okwenze i-Paris angagcina amagoli ngawatholanga. Ayilwanga i-Paris nepali namhlanje. Be-relaxine. Kanti kumele kube khona abazothasha amabhola kube khona abalwa nenet. Ukuphakuza kwenet ukunikeza thina abalandeli ithemba lokuthi cha kusho ukuthi sizoyithatha le cup. Kodwa manje inet mayingabhakuzi no goalkeeper engasave next iyaphoqa. Isho kona ukuthi bokuquiet phambili. And I think umqeqeshi ngiyamcela manje Mr. Jose and your company, I think masiya Egypt Friday mawuzo prepare starting lineup sakho. Ngiyacela uMakgopa akabeka starting lineup please. Kukhona something engikubona ngoMakgopa. uMakgopa uyapressurize ama defender. Although abanye bamalandeli bethu bethi akasheshi kuba ne finish up. Kodwa manga egroundini kuzoba nabantu abane finish up ipace uyayifaka. Second half eParis kubonakalile ukuthi uMakgopa usekhona. I-pressure yaqala kuma defense we-pyramid abona ukuthi asefeel pressure manje. Of which somehow if uyabona useturo 25 if uyabona ukuthi might happen ukuthi abafake bobabini benomabasi akabafake wafa manje kuba late ungasagcina ama-bill nithini lezinja lezinja lezabelungu ama-bill what ama-bulldog ama-people ama-people ungasawagcina manje awathetele manje alimazi abantu. If might happen ukuthi umabasa benoMakgopa ubafuna egroundini bobabini bathetele Jose badla umuntu abaluma umuntu manje kulate because sengiyesaba manje mina ngiyi-1 ngisengizibona iParis iphumile kwi-final but senginethemba lomthandazo wase-South Africa. Nkosi sikelele i-South Africa. Sesihamba ngomthandazo we-South Africa manje masesiyale eGibhithe because leya team ibonakalisile ukuthi imele isizwe ngale. And number 1 ngempela iclaim kuba number 1 number 1 of which iParis sekubonakala ukuthi izothwala kanzima mayifika eEgypt. But ngokomthandazo sesicela ke manje yamabhakaniya namakhola wonke wase-South Africa. Sicela imithandazo yamakhola wonke wase-South Africa ngisho nabathakathi base-South Africa siyabacela benza into zabo uma ngabe kundizeka ngesinkwa bayofika le e-Egypt abagibela izinkwa lezo bayosebenza le nezinyanga impela nemishanelo ngithi kuthiwa ibroma kuthiwa khona nabagibela imishanelo. Siyabacela abathakathi base-South Africa abagibela imishanelo bayofika le akiwe nabo bayosebenza sifuna iwin man sifuna ukubona iPirates lift cup man
Njani?
uyazi Iron Chuku sokudala yagcina ukuya welcome i-team yayo i-lifta icup most special e-Africa. Uyabona manje bese ngithembile ukuthi sine final yokuqala esingakayidlali namhlanje sobe siclaima eyesibili bese kuze ke le yebethiwe ezowela kuthina ezandleni ngoba no number 1 ibonakala ezowela kuthina ezandleni. Khangishilo ngathi lo Kadoso wakhona ono 0 CV ethi ayina cup kodwa qeqesha i-team enkulu kanje ukuthi something fish kathi laphana something fish bathatha ukuthi abalandeli be-Sundowns Tipos bathatha ukuthi abalandeli be-Sundowns ngihater i-Sundowns mangithi you can't hire ukosha one 0 CV uqoshe abaqeqeshi abanama 7 cups bafowethu sayifisela iPirates okuhle kodwa maseya kwi-pyramid e-Africa Sundowns ne-Pirates mfowethu ngibona ngathi izodlala unumber 4 no number 3 ama-cutting razor lawo kodwa ke anything can happen ngokwemthando ibhola leli kodwa ke mabehlulekela ekhaya siyothini kumele sihambe na something ekhaya ngoba nabo laba bantu lapha siyangakhona ngakubo bayizinkunzi ngakubo. Thank you Tipos. My friends wethu, I love you all for free.
Thank you, my chair.